Some days ago, OpenAI released an agent builder. And there is a lot of videos in the internet now in YouTube, especially about how OpenAI in one day just killed n8n, Zapier, Make.com, and other automation platforms. To be honest, I think it's actually exaggeration, and of course we don't know what will happen in the future. But after the quick analysis and playing slightly with the OpenAI agent builder, I can tell you that it's for sure not a killer for n8n at least. One of the key differences is that OpenAI is trying to build everything themselves. They're creating a type of a closed ecosystem where if you are developing some workflow there, then most probably you'll have quite a number of limitations if later you'll decide to bring this workflow into another platform or to implement the same logic somewhere else. So the problem with OpenAI, it looks to me a bit like what Apple is doing. So Apple, even though it's super successful, and I'm currently making a video on the phone from Apple, even though it's super successful, it's the platform is quite closed, and it's difficult to publish anything very quickly on this platform, and there is a number of limitations. n8n on the opposite side, we can compare it maybe in a way to Android ecosystem. You can install n8n on your own server. There is an open source version, so it's actually open source product, and there is a community version which you can install on your own server and connect whatever applications you want. n8n is not controlling this. You are free to choose different agents, model providers, databases, the messaging platforms like Telegram, and so on. While I think that what will happen with OpenAI's agents builder, it will be super powerful. It already has a nice vector storage database already integrated, and you can very easily upload the PDF and other documents there, and the agent will have access to these documents directly. You don't really need to set it up in some complex way. And by the way, we see how everything is developing. There is just the AI is exploding. There is just too many applications, too many startups, too many use cases. And I personally would like not to be limited by OpenAI or by any other company in a way, like in choosing which kind of tools and applications I can connect to my workflow. That's why, as of today, what I can say, I would continue, of course, using n8n and doing some tutorials and videos here on this channel. I'm not saying I will not do anything about agent builder from OpenAI. I think it's also very interesting. We should see what's happening there, and potentially it's going to be the winner. Who knows? But as of now, I see clearly there is distinct user categories for both n8n and for agent builder, and n8n is providing you a lot more flexibility than what currently agent builder does.